Do you have the hiccups? You do, so say hiccup. You have the hiccups. What does the bear say? But you have the hiccups. Yeah, so it's hard to say that. Say mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Say I love you. Say I. Say I love. I love me. You're supposed to say you. Say I love you. Blow kisses.